Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic today is that before watching this video, please careful to watch end of the complete video. There's more will be benefit for the who will be promoting for website on using LinkedIn option. So guys, everyone looking for promoting for their website using for LinkedIn option. Yes or no? So in LinkedIn will be promoting for complete dependent by the your particular page option. Particular page option. So first of all, I can open the LinkedIn company page. So yeah, I'm open for LinkedIn company page. So how you can promoting for leads by using for lead generation form. So if you come into the LinkedIn option will be here, which one showing for promoted? There will be promoting for LinkedIn ads like video. They click for learn more option. So lot of options are there. You can give come to the option will be here. Where is the showing for promoted? That is called LinkedIn ad. Where is the showing for promoted? It will be called LinkedIn ad. Promoted Career India for increase for LinkedIn company page follow purpose. This campaign will be follow purpose. Now I'm generating for website leads by using LinkedIn lead generation form. So how will be generate? First of all, here selecting for advertise. Selecting for advertise. Here, very important question here. Without LinkedIn company page, we can't create the ads on LinkedIn. Without creating for ads, that mean by if you add create, the compulsory LinkedIn need by LinkedIn company page mandatory. So first of all, steps. Follow the proper steps. Create account. The account creation main thing to selecting the particular page and a particular currency purpose. Here, RTS 2020 ad to understand currency will be Indian rupees. Selecting for my company page when we able searching for by name. Here is the ready. So first I'm selecting for account name to people understanding for that account, the account purpose of the related company page with the currency. Currency will be not only for India, which currency you are accurately use. Australia dollars, Brazil real, and Canada dollar, Switzerland francs, and everything option will be there. But I can using dollars will be other countries. But I'm using for Indian currency for Indian rupees. So I'm selecting for India rupees. Click for save. Procedure will be very easy, but understanding is more important. So it is necessary for understanding these things. Is a compulsory understanding things that mean by generating leads on your business. After creating account, create a campaign. Here they will showing your particular campaigns are here. The total campaigns are 7 campaigns are there. Brand awareness, tell more people about your product, services, company, or LinkedIn events. Brand awareness. Coming to website visit, drive traffic to your website, drive traffic to your marketing landing pages, drive traffic to your LinkedIn events. Engagement, increase social engagement with your content or LinkedIn event, increase followers to your company page. The engagement is main thing is called increase your LinkedIn company page followers. Video views, share your video with more people. That mean by to increase the audience by using for video option. Lead generation, capture leads on LinkedIn, use lead generation form pre-fill with the LinkedIn profile data. That is a lead generation purpose. Who will be coming to lead LinkedIn? They have creating one form. The form will be generating leads for your business purpose. And website conversion, capture leads on your website, drive action that are valuable to your business. And job applicant, so how will be promoting your jobs? That all will be coming to this option. So now I'm creating for lead generation. When you click here, this coming to scroll down, they're showing for audience is a common audience. We have to upload any particular lead audience will be here. Now ad format. This is a very important thing. Ad format, single image ad, cursor image ad, video ad, message ad, and conversion ad. Coming to LinkedIn, all I'm showing, this is a image ad, the single image ad. So this will be video type. Any video will be shown to the customers. There is a video type. So when you refresh, ad will be lot of changes are there. Every refresh, you're promoted along with the video. So you can go option will be number of things are there. You can promoting by ad, by video, everything here. Just scroll down in this option, which is showing for promoted. That it will be here. What is showing for download in this option will be. If you're showing for follow button, that all belongs to for to increase our ads will be company page followers purpose. Company page followers purpose. Now we'll go for it. Another promoter is there. Check it out here. Is also video. Now, right now, you can promoting with the image ad, single image ad. So here one day, how much you're spending for budget and how much impression, CTR, how many lead will be generated. Budget will be increased, lead will be increased. Why? Because this will be LinkedIn is a high budget of getting for leads. So that is a compulsory you have to keep it on mind. Is a based on the budget, the increasing leads. After 30 days, you are spending for 24,000 to 45,000. The impression will be 22,000 to 1,20,000 impression. People will be watched, but lead will be generated 16 to 53 leads. The clicks will be 90 to 500 clicks will be done, but it will lead will be generated 60 to up to 53. 16 nothing but 16 to 53. You can see here. So single image are selected here. How much budget selecting? 1250. I'm selecting only for 500. So here option will be changed 0 to 1 lead. I'm changing for 2500 per daily. Is a monthly 1 to 4 leads will be here guarantee. 6 to 33 clicks will be they give option. So here the compulsory mentioned by the start date and end date. So can you give the end date is mandatory field. Suppose the same campaign you can run next time. The same campaign you can run next time. You can compulsory no need to using for end date. This only for this week purpose. Compulsory mention end date. Why? You can add budget for 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. The certain date by daily budget wise, the campaign will be running for the customers. So that is called you can mention end date. So the end date will be finished. The ad automatically will be finish option. And next will be lifetime budget. We can add lifetime budget will be here. The minimum 500 does not accept a minimum we have to accepting for here. Just I'm adding for 12,000. No, 25,000 is accepted. So that is called we can go for daily budget. When you go to the lifetime budget, compulsory end date is mandatory. The end date will be compulsory mandatory. So when you are selecting for daily budget, that is your option. End date will be add or not. That is your wish. But the understanding is important. What does it mean by lifetime? What does it mean by daily? Nothing but how much your budget will be fixed. That amount will be cut on your account by daily wise. Lifetime, that ad will be run. When your budget will be finished, ad will be stopped. Is asking for amount to add. Will continue the ad will be running. So minimum same like Google Ads, how we can give the budget for daily 500. Same I give the LinkedIn also. After that, click for next and save. No need to any change option will be optimize goal, maximum delivery, automated. Next, it is going to the next option, save. After that, this is the important option to create the every ad in this. We can writing for every option will be here. The ad will show to customer desktop and mobile version in this. We can write in. is our ad format. I'm adding that here. So yeah, destination URL. This is a home page. This is your destination. Which page exactly you can destination? Add it here. After that, upload your image. Image properly add it. And description also once again add here will be in this option. Don't exceed by more than 300 characters. Here, upload image exactly you can select. Image you design it that using for Canva. That is not a big matter. Use Canva, you can design the images here. Mobile and desktop. After this one, here, form details. Sign up and select create new form, form name, English, offer headline, offer detail, everything. Description. So you can give here URL. You can ask question. You can writing will be. So what are the important things? You have to finish it. Visit my company page, learn more, view more, download now, try now. So all the previous I'm showing learn more. So depend and add, the option will be shown to the customers. So that is your wish to how we can which option we can add by the your particular LinkedIn company page. Here promoted, what is showing for learn more. But here I'm saying for the option call is learn more. So in this you can policy only accepting for landing page. So I'm adding for landing page. Any hidden field now create. The form will be depend on your option. The form will be finished. After click for next, the final we can go to option will be everything you can check. Without check any information, don't launch your campaign. So run campaign and everything will be here ready for click for launch the campaign. Here they're showing for great job. You will be successful launch your campaign, new ad are under review and it will be served pending approval. You will be receive an email within 24 to 48 hours if your ad has been rejected. If your ad has been rejected. So there is a compulsory important. After that, you can create by another campaign. But you have the question mark is there, is activate or deactivate. Before creating this option, the definite will be showing active position will be here. See this one. But we can check here. Tell me about your experience. They ask questions here. Very satisfy everything you can give by option. Now, so where you can check the ad. Go to advertise. No worry about that. It's a very cool to work on the particular things. So where you can add by, check it out. RTS here. You can check ad will be here. Today date. Check this option. After that, default ad campaign group is there. Active stage. My ad will be active but not running. The reason is called I'm not adding the budget. I'm not adding the budget. So in this budget purpose, go to setting. We can go to the billing center to add your amount by using credit card option. By adding your amount using credit card option and use the credit card and start the campaign your particular LinkedIn account. Suppose if you want stop this campaign, simple solution in active stage, it will be click here. So this everything will be here. Manage chart and duplicate. Here coming to this option, in this you can show this here. So that will be pause. Active one pause. Here will be manage chart and duplicate. Once your ad will be create, we can't delete. We can't delete. Simple one. Click for advertise. Here number of accounts are there. Select it. Create account. Performing chart and demographics is there. You can see this one. Export your data. Now, if you want manage and chart. So anything you want remove that is not possible by in your option. So that will be create account. Only will be option will be called active or we can hold for pass. When you pass, you can go to campaign will be two option. Active the account and pass your account. So this all will be compulsory important to understanding the scenarios. So this is a way to create the lead generation form to create lead from your website. It all will be stored on your particular email, which email you are logging that. They receive the form on your account on the Gmail and will get every details on the particular account. So follow this instruction, create the LinkedIn ads, generating on your business leads by using LinkedIn lead generation form. Anyone facing problem, ask me in my channel comment box. I definitely will be support particular things. For everything you can email me. I definitely will be support for any need of support and by using WhatsApp and email option. If you watch like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.